Today we go and do the sunflowers, and you can see the flat beds and the beds which we go and live in.
And what's this?
Sunflowers.
Oh! Watch what Daddy does. Put them on the side and press them in. Well done. Clever boy. That's good. You're good at doing this, Harry. Put them in a nice row. Push it down a bit. That's it. Put it on the top. Just a little bit. All across. Perfect. There we go.
Bye.
Had to take the morning off work this morning, so I've done what I needed to do, and I'm just heading down to the allotment. It's quite quiet today. Anyway, talk to you in a bit. Hello guys, I've got all the composting things, and there were 6 bags of composts I've brought in. Other than that, I've just bringing things down. I've just checking on these. Nothing's coming through yet on the leaks. Can't see anything there. Nothing. These are doing good though, so I might actually pop these on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There's another one actually germinating there. Cabbage. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Might put some of them on actually, to be honest, and then we're done. Nothing germinating in here, but can't be too far behind. Might have been a bit early, I don't know, but we'll just have to wait and see. So yeah, the only thing I'm a bit concerned about is these onions. I think these pots are restricting the roots way too much. I mean, they're quite deep, but yeah, I need to get them out. But they can go out now, so I'm just umming and ahhing. So I've worked out in the top bed up there, nearest to the shed, I've worked out that I can get roughly about 133 in, and I think it worked out to be 5 rows. So that should be fine, and then I can just leave some if they get picked out or whatever, picked out by the birds. The only problem is I'm going to work this afternoon, and it is 22 minutes past 11, so I've got to work at 1, and I want to try and get some things in. So I'm just going to have a look through my seeds. I've got a little seed tray as well, no, like a potting tray. So when I say little, I thought it was a lot smaller than that. This wind is never ending. Anyway, I managed to get quite a bit done there, so I'll just go through it because I didn't record, but I did. This is what I've done. So I planted sunflowers in there and spring onions. I've just put some bubble wrap over them ones just to help get them started a bit. I've planted what I think is the cabbage and the sprouts. I'm not sure if I've got them mixed up now. There's my little area there for potting, which worked out really good. Obviously it takes up the majority of the bench, so it might be the case where I just have to move that when we start filling up a bit. There's the onions that need planting, so obviously I'm not going to get a chance to plant them onions until Saturday afternoon. want to say hello and thank you to all my new subscribers. Awesome. I think it's 180 or something like that now, which is really good. It's nice to know people are watching and enjoying what I'm doing. Might as well share it, and it makes coming down here, gives us something to do when I'm down here as well, when I'm having a break, which is exactly what I'm doing now. So I come down earlier and someone else has taken on that plot there. So they seem to be doing a good job. I'll show you that in a second. I just want to quickly show you what I've done here. Now this might be a bit risky, but I've got spare ones at home, so I'm just going to see how they go. They need watering. So we've got 3 tomato plants, we've got pepper, we've got the cucumber. These are going really well. There's no there's some germination there. That's brilliant news. Good stuff. The leeks, I can't see anything on the leeks. Maybe a little bit. So I think a couple of days on that. I brought the Swedish chard down, which I did at home. There's only 3 come up with that, but that's enough. That's definitely enough, because I've got the other chard there. Oh, which is coming through, which I've just noticed. So that's good. Nothing breaking through the surface on these peas. The onions. So, because they were down earlier on, I couldn't do much with recording because I was actually chatting a lot anyway to them. So they seem a really nice couple. So I'll show you what I've done. So I ended up doing my onions basically because I had to get them out. Here we go. You ready for this? Boom. We managed to get 3 rows in, all nice and spaced out. You can see there. And I'm going to keep them just in case some get pecked out or whatever. Some get pecked out by the birds. So we'll just have to wait and see. Some of them are growing quite nicely actually, to be honest, so I'm going to give them a good water before I go. Other than that, I've brought the paint down, which I'm hoping to get done tomorrow. And once I've finished painting, just before I go as well, I'm going to dig around the sides just so the wood dries. And then tomorrow I'm going to be putting 1 compost bag in there. Now, I'm quite happy with the progress today. I didn't realise how long it was going to take to plant them onion sets, mind. I might get some more sets and just put them straight out. In fact, that's what I'm going to do. I'll get some different onion sets, so I'm happy with that. Right, yeah, guys, we're looking good. I don't think there's anything else I did, but yeah. Oh, that's the other thing. I've got 2 grow bags for the tomatoes and the cucumber. So what I'm thinking about that is I'm going to use that bucket that's outside at the moment. I don't think you can see it, but it's a bigger bucket than that's there. That's there. That's going to be where the cucumber is. We'll use this trellis here, and then this. I'm not sure whether to just put the grow bag on top of this year. So that's me done for today. It's a good amount to be done for today. Like I said, I've got the onions in, so that's good. And I've just dug that round. So that's just so when I paint, it should be pretty straightforward. Right, guys, I've just come down Sunday. I was trying to get down early today, but we ended up spending some time with the family, which always comes first, of course. But it's quite a nice evening. Oh, quite a nice evening, and guess what? There's no wind. Unbelievable. There was actually quite a lot of wind today. So yesterday I managed to get the onion sets in, so I'm happy about that. I've decided that I'm going to buy some more onion sets and do another 2 rows, and then that just fills a bed up completely. So I've pretty much decided with that. That's what I'm going to do. The other thing is, these seem happy. Everything seems happy in here with these. So I'm quite happy with that. So that's good. Everything seems happy today. And if you look in here, look, we've got germination with the, is that the sprouts? So they're the sprouts I actually started in here. So they're the ones I started at home. We've got some Swedish chard here, only 3 of them's germinated. So I've brought them down, because that's good, just to get some early ones in. What's that one? I can't even read my own handwriting, man. I think that's the spring onions. And that's the sunflowers now I've set. I did a video, so you'll know, because that might be on. Me and Harry did the sunflower seeds. So that's nice. So, I'm going to have to try and get on before the sun dies. I think what I'm going to do, I'm going to definitely going to dig some of that bed. I don't know if you've noticed, but I always say that and I never do. I'm going to definitely dig some of that bed. I'm going to leave any big jobs. I'm going to put some of the paint on, so I won't record a video of that. I'm just going to put some of the paint on the bed just to see what it looks like. Now, home bargains. I managed to find some tulips, tall tulips, mixed bulbs. Now, I know it's late, but I did plant the tulip bulbs down there, didn't I, at the bottom. And I only got halfway, so that'll finish them off. So I'm going to get that done today. Alright guys, that was an absolute workout. I did that. Just dug 2 more rows. I've raked it all as well to break up all the hard clumps. And it's got down a little better. Or not necessarily slabs, but just stop digging up to there where the compost is and keep that for like flowers or something or whatever. Maybe marigolds. That's a good point. I need to plant some marigolds. Quite dark now and I'm going to have to make a move, but basically this is what I've just done. I've done the marigolds in there, I've covered them over, we've got the sprouts in there, and I think it's cabbage and sprouts, I forgot to label it. In here, you can see, look at that. But yeah, I'm going to have to go. I'm going to take the seeds home, guys. But yeah, guys, seriously, thanks for watching. I'm glad you're enjoying them, and you know, you don't take me too seriously because I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just learning, and I'm learning from all of the other YouTube channels that are superb. And I just want to mention, I've obviously mentioned Sean's, which everyone should know about, but Tony C. Smith, what an absolute class channel that is. And I hope I get my tomatoes, Tony, if you're watching. I don't think I have any room for them, to be honest, but these will probably be dead. These will be probably dead, so I'm relying on them tomato plants, mate. Quality. Right, guys, take it easy and see you next time on Pip's Allotment. What was your jobs today? What did you do?
I don't know, you told.
No, you know, what have you done at the allotment just then? You watered the rhubarb?
I watered the rhubarb.
Where did you put the watering can, by the way?
In the shed.
Oh, good boy.
And in
the greenhouse, you mean? Yeah. Alright. So, bye, thanks for watching.
Bye, thanks for watching.
See you later, guys.
See you